Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for circle. So given the circle with the general equation where we have x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 4y minus 14 equals to 0. Question asks us to find the center and the radius of the circle. So my suggestion would be compare the situation with the general form where we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus with the c equals to 0. Compare the situation. 2g is equals to negative 8. g will be equals to negative 4. Next, 2f is equals to 4. So f will be equals to 2. Next, in order to find the radius, where we have the formula r squared equals to g squared plus with the f squared minus c. Kindly substitute the situation. So r squared is equals to negative 4 squared, where we will have 16 plus where we have 2 squared, 4, minus with the c. So in here, the c is negative 14. So r squared is equals to 20 plus with 14. So r will be equals to square root of 34, where we have the radius. Next, for the center, where we have negative g, negative f. So the center will be 4, negative 2. Next, what we have to do is to find the equation of the tangent and the normal. So in here, the tangent and the normal actually is a straight line equation where we have y is equals to mx plus c, where we need a gradient and a point. So the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle where we have x squared plus y squared plus 4x equals to 21. So at the point 1, 4. So kindly rewrite the situation where we have x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Next, what we have to do is to find the center of the circle. Kindly compare the situation. So where we have 2g is equals to 4. 2f is equals to 0. Next, g will be equals to 2, f will be equals to 0. And we have the center where we have negative 2 and 0. So kindly illustrate the situation. So let's say we have the center, negative 2, 0. Next, we have the point 1, 4. So here we have the situation. So the question asks us to find the equation of the normal and the tangent. So any line that passes through the center, so that will be the normal to the circle. So here we have the normal. Next, what we have to do is to find the normal. So before we find the normal, kindly determine the gradient for the normal. So the formula for the normal is equals to where we have y minus y sub 1. So where we have 4 minus 0 over x minus x sub 1. So here we have 1 minus with the negative 2, so we will have positive 2. So the gradient for the normal will be 4 over 3. Next, what we have to do is to find the equation of the normal. Gradient 4 over 3 and the point where we have negative 2 and 0. So y is equals to 4x over 3 plus with the c. Kindly substitute the value negative 2 and 0. So we will have 0 is equals to negative 8 over 3 plus with the c. So c will be equals to 8 over 3. So from here, y is equals to 4x over 3 plus with 8 over 3. So that would be the normal to the circle. Next is to find the tangent to the circle. Pass by the 1, 4. So here we have the green in color, which is the tangent. So next, what we have to do is to find the tangent. So in here, we have the formula. Gradient for the normal, multiply with the gradient for the tangent, and we will have negative 1. Kindly substitute the situation, and we notice that we have the gradient for the tangent will be equals to negative 3 over 4 and pass by the point 1, 4. Kindly substitute the situation. Y is equals to negative 3 over 4x plus with the c. Substitute the point 1, 4. And we will have 4 is equals to negative 3 over 4 plus with the c. C will be equals to 19 over 4. So y is equals to negative 3x over 4 plus with the 19 over 4. So here we have the situation or the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point 1, 4. Next, what we have the example for the vector. So by referring to the question, given 4 points where we have A, B, C, and D be the point in the 3-dimensional space. Determine the value of W if where we have the vector AB dot with the situation bracket AC cross with the vector AD, which is equals to 64. So my suggestion is to find the vector AB, AC, and then AD. So where we have the vector AB, which is equals to OB minus the OA. Kindly substitute the value. So finally, we have the vector AB, which is equals to 4 negative W plus with the 8 negative 5, where we have the direction of AB. Next is to find the AC. So kindly substitute the position vector OC and OA. And we have the vector AC 2, negative 1, negative 4. Next is to find the vector AD, where we have OD minus OA. So finally, we have the vector AD, which is equals to negative 2 plus with the 5 and 3. Next, by referring to the question, my suggestion would be finding the AC cross AD. Next is to substitute the vector AC and AD. So in order to find the I, kindly close up the I. So where we have J cross with the K. So we will have negative 3 plus with 20. Next is to find J. Close up the J and we have I cross K. Followed by K. Close up the K and we have I cross J. So finally, the AC cross with the AD and we have the vector product, which is 17I plus with 2J plus with 8K. So here we have the direction, or to be specific, it is a normal to the situation AC and AD. Refers to the question, determine the value of W given the situation where we have vector AB dot with the situation AC cross AD, where we have equals to 64. So kindly substitute the situation. So dot the situation and we will have 4 multiplied with the 17, where we have 68 minus 2W plus 16 minus 40 equals to 64. Kindly rearrange the situation. And we have W is equals to negative 20 over 2. So the value of W will be equals to negative 10. Next, we are going to discuss the example for vector. So here we have the questions. The angle between the vector A, where we have I minus 2J plus the K, and the vector B, where we have I plus 3K, is alpha degree. Find the alpha degree. So my suggestion would be using the scalar product. So by referring to the formula, so kindly substitute the situation and follow the instruction. So at first, we have the vector A dot with the vector B, then followed by the modulus of the vector A. Multiply with the vector B, and we have cos theta. Focus on the left hand side. What we have to do is to dot the situation, and we will have 1 plus with the 3 equals to square root of 6 multiplied with the square root of 10 cos theta. Rearrange the situation, and we have cos theta is equals to 4 over square root of 60. And we have the theta is equals to 58.91 degree. So here we are, and thanks for watching.